Hi guys, nandito kami sa UPLB. Tara! Hey you guys, so we're here at our school. We're about to take this long journey to UP Los Baños for Engineering Congress 2026. So we have here our correspondents. Well, correspondents. No more like participants from different colleges, from different departments of our college, which is College of Engineering of PRIMSU. So we have here the president of PICE. He's currently busy right now because, of course, he is the head and he needs to lead. Now we have here our friends from computer engineering. Now what do we do with them? Mga awkward sa camera. Anyway, now on that section, there's a mix of people from computer engineering and mechanical engineering. I think their head is right there. The tall guy. Pakita mo, the tall dude na ba? Anyway, we have here our correspondents from mining engineering as well. We have here Miss Mizara and the president of SBO, which is Ivy. Ayan, magay ka sa camera. Hindi, magay ka lang. Ano masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo? Hindi. Ano masasabi mo? Like, this is the first time na gagawin natin. Ito, diba? If I remember, say, go.
Ayun, super happy kasi after so many acad years na natapos, natuloy ulit yung Engineering Congress since palagi siyang binabalak ituloy. So ngayon lang siya natuloy and super happy din since maraming students yung nakasama.
Ayan, di ba? So thank you. So I think this interview will end shortly for now. Now, I'm gonna see you, or we're gonna see you later at Los Baños, specifically at UP Los Baños. Bye-bye. Hi guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Meron bang ano dyan? May kaldereta dyan na kambing.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome po.
Hindi na. Di ko nga alam kung yung second day ba is ano eh. Purong gala lang ganun.
Sino yung siya? With guard? Hindi ako yun. Domino's Pizza, Super Quick yun. Ishi?
Super quick food review.
Wow! Oh, shit! Ang haba! Ikot mo. Oh! Vice ka ko. Tara, tanong na lang natin dun mismo. Wala.
Makabi ha. Okay na yan.
na.
Ang tenga.
Tingnan yung tabig natin. Tara na? Tara na ba?
Tomorrow.
Hello guys, narito tayo ngayon sa UPLB kasama ang mga truck. Number 1 truck! Pakilala ka, number 1 truck! ulitin. Hindi, dito nga, tapos maglalakad na nga tayo dun eh.
Kala ko vlog dapat natural.
Oh, sige.
Natural ka lang.
Hi guys!
Ay, kita ko yung katawan ko. Ikaw.
Kasama namin ng mga natural na truck.
Park at your own risk. Papunta
Uy,
kami
si
sa
Aaron!
toll gates kasi sabi nila, kapag nag-cross ka sa toll gate, nagiging totoo yung wish mo.
Yung wish mo. Ayan ba yun?
Oo.
Pixar.
Pwede. Tingnan mo, meron silang proper waste management. Sa tayo nadaan niya? Dito. Tara, Tori daw. Tara na ya. Ito nga pala ang isa sa tourist attraction dito sa UPLB. Narito, meron tayong 12 gates of heaven. Hello guys.
Yan. So, actually right now, hanap lang kami ng coffee shop kasi medyo drained na kami bago punta kami ng oblation. Tara, picture bago uwi.
Ano yun? Stonehenge? Ano yun eh?
Bunny Island ba yun?
Easter Island. Easter Island. Sabi nila sa Rick and Morty,
Alam ba yung context mo? Sabi ko, aday na life. Tapos, tatanungin ko po can I interview po about your experiences in UPLB as a reference po from another school? Dali na! Marjo! O, tara, let's go. Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka makakabalik ulit dito, Mark.
That's okay. That's alright.
Oy, babalik siya. Pag nag-masteral siya.
Baka diretso ka sa amin.
Di ba ako? Yung mata ko. Kaya ano lang. Kay Dani.
Yan, ganyan, no? Hey!
Kapag nasa likod, para ka talaga sa si Carlo.
Oh.
Ako ang oblation.
Dapat din nila ko yung tubig ko pala. Oo nga, no? Takad na kasi siya eh.
Pantay dapat yung hawak nyo.
Hindi dyan ang trip ng Ramon yan to. Ibaba mo pa. Hindi ko tatayin yan. Wag mo tatayin. Ganyan nyo ba ipagtaas ang bandera ni Ramon?
Parang bitawan mo na yan. Yan. Yan.
Sige.
Nababa nyo.
Uy, uy, uy!
Nandito tayo sa Dash Coffee Day. And we ordered a matcha cream, upsize, dalawa. Then isang matcha frap. Siyempre kailangan yun kasi
Performative ka ngayong araw.
performative ngayong araw. Ngayong araw lang. Pagod.
Ang ating room tour. Kaya alis tayo. Room tour. Sa akin. Review. Kay Julie. Bye! Bye! Bye, UP!
By Freja.
Freja. Ito.
Wala naman ako nakita doon. Hello, Father. Ito po, kasama po natin ngayon si Jane. Ito po siya. Jane.
Hello po!
So, Jane, tungkol sa nangyayari sa'yo, paki-explain nga anong nangyayari.
Nung sinaniban po ako, alam niyo po yung parang...
Ayun nagbabago na mukha niya. Jane?
May namimiss kay Kyle.
Namimiss niya na si Kyle.
Ito.
Uy, pakita na mukha na namimiss na si Kyle.
Oh, hey you guys. My name is Kim Kardashian West, and I'm gonna tell you all down there how our UPLB experience goes on. Let's go. So we have here our first correspondent. What's your name?
My name is Cheska Medina Lincas.
Okay, Cheska. What do you do for life? Okay, anong course mo, be?
My course is BS Civil Engineering.
Okay, so far, with your recent experience sa Engineering Congress, how was it?
Actually, it's my first time, and also some of the lessons and knowledges na sinasabi nila during the seminar is really acknowledging parang madami ka talaga matutunan. And most especially, I really like the part kung saan nag-talk na si Representative Attorney Shell Jokino. And I really like it.
Yes. Now, if you're gonna rate the experience from 1 to 10, like including all the fun that you've had the past 2 days, how would you rate it?
I would rate it 11 out of 10.
Ah, so we got our first perfect score, guys. Grabe, pizza pa lang to.